Today, let's learn how you can use a guasha for lymphatic drainage, massage, and sculpting your facial muscles. So, I'm going to show you only on one side. You need to do on the other side as well. Okay, so let's start with the forehead, keeping the guasha in a slanting position. Do these vertical strokes for 30 seconds and then horizontal strokes for 30 seconds and then drain the lymphatic fluid. Coming to your under eye area, again 30 seconds like this. Keeping the guasha in a slanting position, drain the lymphatic fluid. Now sculpt your cheek muscles, uplifting them like this with the guasha. Again 30 seconds, drain the lymphatic fluid and then sculpt your jawline. You can also use this curvy part, hook your jawline in this and sculpt for 30 seconds, drain the lymphatic fluid and towards your armpit to the lymphatic drainage system. Do it on the other side as well. Make it your bedtime routine and do it for a couple of days and see how your skin brightens up and your face gets sculpted.